Directional overspray. What do I mean by directional overspray? Well, I'm going to get overspray, I've said that. What about if I could put it somewhere that doesn't actually cause me any problems? So I've got a really tight edge on pretty much all of that. And how? If you notice, I moved my feet quite a lot, but the first one, if you notice, I was stood more this side. So when I come down, I actually spray with the tip, the gun, sorry, slightly angled. So I've got a really sharp edge here and overspray that side. When I came to this side, I actually came down and my gun was just turned a little bit, look. So that edge was tighter. Then I came down this one, and again, I changed my angle. But this one, if you notice, I actually finished, and I was stood over here, and again, I turned my gun a little bit. So that, when you come to windows, doors, corners, if you don't want the overspray going everywhere, just twist your gun a little bit. Your directional overspray. If I turn my gun, I'm going to put a harsh edge on this left-hand side. Overspray going that way a little bit. If I turn that way, I'm going to get a harsh line. Overspray generally going that way.